welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. But if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back, my babies. So guys, today I have another wig review for you guys. This video is sponsored by Samsbeauty.com. Once again, every wig that I review, I will have it in my Amazon store down in the description down below. This is by the Stylist Invisible Lace 13 by 6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend. So it's not 100% human hair, it's a master blend, so it's human hair with synthetic hair. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. Hold on, this is what she's looking like. She's a wavy one. Okay, she wavy, she gonna get you seasick kind of vibe. So let me go ahead and move this. Ooh, hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on. You talking too fast. Just hold on just a little bit, okay? Because she is looking fire. This isn't a number 2. Does it say the length of the wig? No, it does not say the length. Yeah, y'all, so the link to this wig will be in the description box down below. Okay, so she comes with an adjustable band at the back and everything. She is gorgeous, y'all. Like, wow, this feels really good. And she's extremely full, y'all. She's extremely full. Look at the baby hairs. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm definitely gonna be laying baby hairs today, because baby, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and pop this unit on my head, but before I do, the wig construction, it has 2 combs at the front, 1 in the back, and it comes with a thick adjustable strap. The lace is a brown HD lace, like I mentioned earlier before. So it has some parting space, so in case I wanted a different, to do a side parts or middle parts, I would have the option to do so. I love the lace because it's close to my skin tone. That's why I chose the brown HD lace. Look at that, that's really nice. I love that. And it has baby hairs, so I think I'll be doing baby hairs today. Flip her onto my head and see what she is working with. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening. Put the band to the back. Okay, so that is what she's looking like, legit straight out the pack. No customizations or anything. Like, that's how she's looking right now. So I see where I'm gonna have to cut the hair tabs as well for it to fit how it's supposed to fit, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Directly in my eyes just now. Okay, so I gotta do that. Okay, so yes, it does have a natural looking hairline. Some persons might want to do more adjustment to the lace. I am not gonna do any more adjustments to the lace because I feel like the lace is perfectly fine to me. Like, she cute and whatever the way she is, so I'm gonna leave her be. I don't know why I did not pull up the camera all this time, have y'all so far away from the camera. I'm gonna do a side part. Okay, okay, so that's what she looking like in a side part and whatever. I feel like she doing the most and all that good stuff. Yeah, I feel like she doing the most. Like, she's gorgeous, but yeah, she's pretty, really pretty. And now that I look at her, I don't even know if I want baby hairs anymore, because I feel like she is so pretty. I don't want to spoil her, you know, that kind of vibe. I feel like if I give her baby hair, she's just gonna look all fake. Or I feel like my stuff be looking fake when it has too many baby hairs. You know, I mean, you can definitely tell I have a wig on, but it doesn't, like, I don't have to rub it in that much, if you understand what I mean. Like, why I try to keep the lace down, or, you know. So just to put everything in place, that's what I'm doing. No joke though, she looking cute already. Let me install the the combs because we don't need any movements on this unit. We really don't. So we brush that in. Yeah, y'all, I don't feel like I'm gonna give her any baby hairs because I feel like it's definitely gonna take away from the unit. I feel like she's perfect. Ooh, that lace is pretty. The lace is like too much over my ears, so I'm just removing that extra lace that's not needed. Right? Yeah, that fits a lot better. You can cut your lace as close or as far as you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over with, and then I'm gonna put this thing back over my head again. Okay. Because I need her to be melted, okay? She needs to be melted. Legit melted. She needs to be melted, okay? So, yes, she is looking nice. She's looking good. She's looking really good, y'all. She is looking really good. This, you know, I just want to see how far I can push it. But so far, the waves are looking really good. So this is water and conditioner. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. And she is long and she is giving bit. I don't know what color to call that. It's just looking a tad bit that color. I don't know what color to say. It's just looking a little bit off. So yeah. So just want to put this on there and see if that really does nothing, because it's almost the same color as the powder. It's almost the same color as the powder, y'all. So like there isn't even much of a difference. But like the wig itself, y'all, she is cute. Yeah, so this is what she's looking like. She's given cute. She's given really fluffy. She's just giving me a lot of vibes right now, y'all. I'm gonna put some mousse on her just because I want to put some mousse on her, not necessarily because it's needed. I just feel like putting some mousse on her, y'all. Wow, she is really pretty. She is really pretty. She is gorgeous and she is given. Samsbeauty have some of the best synthetic wigs and also human hair wigs, human hair blend wigs. Like, yeah, because she is given, y'all. Like, what the hell? Y'all see this right here? She is gorgeous. That is gorgeous, y'all. I'll push her to the front like so, you know, giving me a sexy vibe. And she's extremely long. Like, she is long. Y'all see that?